Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex. This is AMRC. Tonight I'll be flying the E-flite UMX Ultrix. Let's go. One of the reasons I chose to fly this tonight is today Horizon just announced UMX Twin Otter. I was really happy to see that. And I was expecting it to be a 2S or maybe even a 3S plane. All their new UMX releases, but surprisingly it's a 1S twin brushless motor. It's basically the electronics of the UMX Ultrix that I have, just in a different sort of plane. This is of course, flying wing. It just has the two ailerons, however you want to call them, and the differential thrust. And the new Twin Otter, besides the ailerons, it also has elevator, not rudder, but uses the same differential thrust. I've seen it can do some pretty ridiculous unscaled things, like flat spins. And I'm not sure if I'll get it. Probably eventually I will, but I don't know if right when they come out. What I've seen reviews from RC Sailors, brand Phillips RC, seems like a really nice plane. Only thing I'm wondering if it handles wind as good as the Ultrix. Probably not. It's a more conventional plane, but oh, full moon came out finally. It was covered by clouds earlier, and there was also fog earlier. It's another reason I chose the Ultrix, because I never got to fly this in fog. I was planning on doing it tonight, but fog cleared meantime, and that's not a problem. It's always a fun plane to fly. And going back to the new Twin Otter, it was also a bit expensive, especially here in Europe. It's 190 euro, I think, and that's about the same price in dollars. In the US it's 170, so it's a bit cheaper. You know, everything's more expensive today with inflation, shipping, so on and so forth, but I mean the UMX A10 is the same price, and I think you get a bit more plane for the money with that. But who knows, maybe they'll have some sales. And one thing the Ultrix can do, and pretty sure the Twin Otter can, is these high alpha slow passes. It's really cool. I do need to get some spare props for this. I had two that came with it, but I lost one earlier this year. Just came off during flight. And right now, that's very important to do your pre-flight checks, because I hadn't noticed it last time I flied. I landed down here on these rocks and one of the props was chipped. Unfortunately, I had my last spare. I'll have to look into getting some more, just to be sure. Better to have them than have to wait a few weeks or even months. I remember reading online there's some micro drone props that fit and hold up a lot better. Okay, it's time to land this. Timer's running out, but I have another battery. Ooh. There it goes. Just 1 second left on the timer, or over, not sure. Okay, let me change the battery and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Getting in the air again. Really an enjoyable plane. I have been thinking if I do get the Twin Otter UMX one, would be cool adding lights to it. Not sure how easy it would be, being it's 1S powered, and I wouldn't like the Ultrix light kit, this style, multicolored flashing. I think I prefer just the simple white or yellowish steady LEDs. And they're a lot better for visibility. Plus that already has some scale lights on it. That's really cool. And another little concern I would have with that is the landing gear. It's not removable, and right here where I fly, I don't know how suitable it would be. Probably need a pretty flat surface. But the cool thing about that, you can get floats for it. The UMX set that fits on several other UMX planes. Yeah, that would be cool for water or snow. Never flown off water, but probably I'll give it a shot sometime. Don't really have any lakes or ponds nearby. Plus I can't swim, so I'm a bit scared that if it flips, it's gone. But yeah, I'm looking forward to snow, and hopefully I'll get some nice winter flights. But as the forecast has it, it's gonna get warmer the next few days, so won't be anytime soon. Winter just started, so I also want to do some more daytime flying. I haven't done that for quite some time, but the weather's been pretty bad these past few days. It's been raining or foggy or both. Hopefully in the next few days I can get some flights in. There's a few planes I haven't flown for a while, and I also have some new projects coming up. Be sure to follow the channel, subscribe, so you'll be notified when the videos are out. Really excited about it. And going back to the Twin Otter, just a few weeks ago on Black Friday, a website had it on sale for a really good price. Yeah. Looks like the battery's gone again. It's the same battery I had problems with on my last flight. It says it's 3.7 volts. It shouldn't be dead yet, but and I marked it. Now when I charged it, it's showing, I don't know, 3.9 volts. So it wasn't dead for sure. But yeah, probably need to replace it or fly it less. I still had minute 14 on the timer, so yeah. Here's one of my cats joining me. Say hi. Hey, thanks very much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.